In this activity, we will be finding the formula for volume of a sphere. The objective of this activity is to find the volume of a sphere with the help of a very amazing activity. Let's see the concept in hand first. So you all know that a sphere has only one variable, that is its radius. And the volume of a sphere is given by the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. But from where did we get this formula 4 by 3 pi r cube? You know, we can actually derive this formula using a hemispherical bowl, or you can take a cutout of a plastic ball. This has the radius r, and a similar bowl, cylindrical in shape, which again has the radius r, and the height of this particular cylinder should be double of the radius, that is 2r. Using these, we can actually derive the formula for volume of a sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. What are the material required for this activity? We require a hollow hemispherical plastic ball. So you can take any plastic ball, cut it into two pieces, you will get a hemispherical plastic ball. Then we require a cylinder whose diameter and height both are equal, and we require a hemisphere, that is the same plastic ball, whose diameter is also equal to the diameter of the cylinder. Let's see how we can perform this activity and derive the formula for volume of a sphere.
So for finding the volume of a sphere, we require the following items. This is a plastic ball of radius r, which is cut into half, that is, it becomes a hemisphere. We require a cylinder whose diameter is equal to the diameter of the ball. Here you can see they are approximately equal, and the height of the cylinder should be equal to double of the height, that is the diameter of hemisphere. Now we require a container full of rice, or you can take sand or wheat, whatever is available, readily available, and we'll perform a small activity. We'll fill this hemispherical bowl with whatever you have taken, whether it is rice or sand or wheat, whatever. You have to ensure that you are filling the hemisphere up to the brim. That means there should not be any empty space in the hemisphere like this. Then you pour it in the cylinder without spilling it, and then do it 2 more times. You will find that the cylinder gets filled up to the brim like this. So we know now that 3 times the volume of this hemisphere is equal to the volume of this cylinder, and we are going to use this for the mathematical treatment of the problem. First, we will find the volume of the cylinder. You know that the formula for volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So pi r square, what is the height of this cylinder? It is equal to the diameter of the hemisphere, so that is 2r. So this becomes 2 pi r cube. Now we poured the hemisphere 3 times into the cylinder, and therefore the volume of hemisphere now becomes equal to 1/3 of this volume, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. If this hemisphere is converted into a sphere, then the volume of sphere will be double of the volume of hemisphere. So double of 2/3 pi r cube, and that gives 4/3 pi r cube, or 4 by 3 pi r cube, as the volume of the sphere. So that completes the activity of finding the formula for volume of sphere using these material.